Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I will be looking at the NoiseControl hard drive cages. I will be looking at two hard drive cages here today, and of course the only real difference between these is that one is with and one is without a fan installed. This one of course is the one with the fan. It's a Silverado fan, and it does go plugged directly into your motherboard right here to measure the RPMs, and this here goes plugged directly into your power supply. Now both of these do come with manuals, and they both come with this rubber, which I'll show you how that's used a little later. Also 4 screws. These screws are used to attach these cages into your case in the 5 1/4 inch bays in your case, and also comes with these strips. These are basically strips which will protect you against damaging the rubber right here from some hard drives. If your hard drive has any kind of sharp corners or sharp edges, you really want to put this on the sharp corners so you do not damage this rubber. Let me now look at actually how a hard drive is attached into this cage. Right here it does come with rubber. Now how this works is that the hard drive goes in here, this gets pushed down, and the other side of the hard drive goes in here. Let me do that by step. So that side's down, now go on to the other. Once that's done, you go on to this rubber piece. It goes stretched from here over to here. Very, very simple to install this into the cage, and of course once it is installed, all the rubber here does quiet the drive down substantially, because it literally lifts it in suspension in a way on rubber, which is really good. And something else the rubber does, of course, it does mount it very well, and it's not easy to shake this off of the cage. I can just demonstrate here that I'm shaking this pretty hard and it's not going anywhere. They do, however, recommend that if you are transporting your case, remove it just to be safe. And of course the one with the fan is no different, just mounted exactly the same way. Of course the only difference, again, as I mentioned before, is that this one will exhaust more air, and it will of course take up a substantial amount of room in your case in the area of the 5 1/4 inch bays. The final part to this is bring back the cage or cages to your case and install them in the 5 1/4 inch bays. As you can see here, I have one at the very top. I'm using the one with the fan installed, and what I'm doing here is I'm positioning it so that the hot air from the hard drive is being blown right directly into the power supply's exhaust out of the case. Two very interesting products here. I do, however, like the one with the fan installed because it do cool the hard drive or hard drives very, very well, especially if you're using SCSI. Of course, also this has a drawback because the fan does take up a little bit more space there in your case, and it does cost a little bit more. Of course, both of these cages will silence your drives due to the fact that it is installed in rubber, so that's certainly a good thing. Overall, I give this product an 8.5 out of 10. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new video review for you then. Also check out my website at www.3dgameman.com, and be sure to check out the forums. You can go in there, register. Registration is free. You can leave your own suggestions and comments, and of course you can find out more information about this product and about all the products that I video review. Until the next time, take care.